Okay, so this is our first class project. This is Bruce's project. It's called the Interrupter. And it starts with a sound source, in this case a radio that we bought. And you take that sound source and you run it through a digital switch. And you control that digital switch with the Arduino, in this case being a dork board that we built earlier on in the week. So I'm actually shutting that switch off manually right now, and I'm going to let go of it.
What circuit is gained and you want
the rate at which it interrupts is controlled by this pot.
Gain for the series, get back away. And